Yo, 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 yo. What's good? What's good, Joe? What's going on? What's going on? Guys blowing your guns. What's going on? What's going on, man? Yo, dude, how y'all doing? Feeling slightly better. How's my mic? I'm getting my IT guy to come sort it out today. So getting everything sorted, getting kitted out. I got some good feedback from you guys yesterday saying that, especially from my guy, Kurt, appreciate you, my guy. Did take that to note, spoke to my IT guy. He's going to run me through and how to get everything set up properly, you know. Let's give everyone a bit of time before we jump into the charts. You know, we might have a potential early entry, so I don't want to stay too long on the analysis because we might be able to get in and out on a trade today on gold. Keep it John, what's good, bro? Thanks for joining again. Hypo9, hope you're doing well, brother. As you can hear, I'm still a bit sick, but you know, we move. You guys are having a good day. I know the weather's a bit manky in Malta at the moment. So no better time to just sit, stream, and make some pee. Bro. You missed your gold entry at 2304, brother. I'm going to show you something even more crazier than that. Remember I was calling that 2303? You're going to see how close that missed my entry to make basically like 120, 130 pips move that I had to miss out on, but I didn't foment it, and that was the most important. Not in any trades just yet, guys, but we will be looking at entries. We should be looking at some soon. For now, we've moved quite a bit already today. But can we get something better later down the line? I'll show you guys that we're kind of stuck in a bit of a range at the moment. We have pushed up a lot, especially from this morning. I've been watching the chart since this morning. I've gotten a few trades in myself this morning. So far, so good. I wasn't chasing my loss yesterday. As you guys saw, I took a loss on stream. Took a loss on stream yesterday, but yeah, basically was crying in my room till 4 a.m. in the morning, you know, about the loss. No, I'm just joking, and if I can do that. But yeah, let's see if we can start slowly making it back. That's the idea. Not jumping into anything, not forcing any trades, but we're gonna just take the trades as it comes, and we see how we move from there. Yeah? So we're currently back at a good balance. Because I did take some trades yesterday, this morning and yesterday. Managed to recover some of the losses. There's some of my trades that I took yesterday. Currently up again for week, back up again. Overall, we're still up, 3% on the account. Yesterday we did obviously get basically almost like a 1% loss on the account yesterday, but nothing to worry about. Losses will come, and it's just the mindset about how we move on from that and how we grow from that. I didn't try and chase the loss yesterday. I saw another entry which would have played out really well if I just held it out, because it actually came down to our profit levels, and that previous trade came down to our break even, but I was a little bit further than holding the trade out and just waiting out. So that trade, it would have been good, but it hit our stop loss, and we accepted that that was the risk we were taking. The risk to reward wasn't in our favor that day, but overall it was still a good trade idea. We did get the top wick on the 4-hour candle. Just going to keep this on the side for now. So yeah, so as you can guys see, I'm just going to run through the quick analysis on the monthly. Still the same. I'm going to basically do it every day till it clues into you guys, until it sticks, because this is like important for you guys to just pay attention to, because sometimes it hits key levels. Sometimes we might have a big move down. Like, always pay attention to, like, bottom of this candle is like 2284. Sure, that's a big move. Can it happen today? Sure. Can it happen tomorrow? Can, but just pay attention to these levels. So like in the long run, if you ever see this candle start pulling back down, then on the monthly we have confirmation on the monthly that we could start going bearish, turning bearish, and fill in this candle. So if you're going to be taking scalps on the smaller time frame, then it's good confluence that you have higher time frame bias. That means you bearish bias on the monthly, so that your trades, most of your trades that you would take would be shorts. You would look for buys, you would take longs if the position presents itself, but overall your bias on the monthly would be bearish. At the moment, our bias for the monthly is bullish. So we don't necessarily have to look for only buys. We can still look for positions between this area over here, but that's overall. Right, we're going to break it down into the weekly. So as you can see, we're still in this range. Is my mic fine, guys? Can everyone hear me clearly? If you can, just give a holla in the chat. I know I'm going to be sorting out my settings in my sound and everything later on today. Get everything sorted and kitted out. You guys can see that we're still currently in this range at the moment on the weekly. Something to just pay attention to, obviously on the higher time frames. Let me just get my joint in. So guys, I'm still a bit sick. I'm still just in road of recovery. You guys can see here, still there, and we're still in this range at the moment. Something to just pay attention to. Obviously, we had a support and resistance. Ladin, thanks for joining, my guy. Appreciate you a lot. So this is just something for you guys to pay attention to, obviously on the higher time frames. We'll be running through some other charts today, but I just want to kind of get through this analysis because we might be able to see a potential entry already on the lower time frames. So I'm just showing you where our areas are at the moment. So at the moment, like, we're still in this range between 2392 and 2302, which would have been our perfect. We dropped down kind of close to here today, which would have been perfect for our entry, but we just missed our entry, and it would have been basically 120 pip move, but we missed that, so nothing to be scared about. We will find another position, maybe today, maybe later. Let's see. So for today, we have just been pushing up for today, for this morning, since this morning. So let's see what we can continue doing. At the moment, overall on the structure, we are creating a bearish structure, so something to pay attention to. Let's see if we can continue, however, moving back up. So we're still stuck in this kind of range at the moment. You know, so will we come below? Will we break above? Still a bit sticky because we haven't found certain direction on a higher time frame. All right, I'm just going to break it down to lower, 4 hour. 4 hours still looking good. You see on the 4 hour, we're still consolidating within this range as well. Can even take it from here, to be honest. You know, still kind of in this. We got a mini range, of course, forming here. Somewhere there. Yeah, that would be good. Still kind of in this range at the moment. Just pay attention to this as well. Somewhere kind of like that. Bring it up. Yeah, that's good. Just we're still in this range at the moment, so we just got to pay attention to that. You know, can we break above? Can we refill this range? You know, we've refilled there. We came back down. Are we going to break below today? That's what I was expecting this morning. I thought we were going to break below, potentially get some shorts going down to this level, but we unfortunately missed our entry. But can we get buys going back up to these kind of ranges? Yeah. Just put my phone on silent here. It's work time, brother. It's work time. All right. Sweet. I'll show you guys something. What was really sad today. This will make you extremely sad. This is what TradesAI gave us, and this was my potential entry if I was looking for longs yesterday. We unfortunately just missed our entry. Sure, it is sad. And I was looking at that the whole day yesterday, like hoping if we can come down, potentially grab some buys. But we didn't do that yesterday. We did that actually this morning. I was watching the move, but it was just close. We had a pending order pending and just missed it. You know, that would have been our entry. It just came there. Obviously, we unfortunately had to miss this whole move. So now we just have to take price as it comes, see if we can get a better entry. I think at the moment we are fighting a bit of resistance here. This is why I'm saying we can potentially, you can see there's a lot of resistance formed over here. Top wicks, and we continue coming back into this range. So this could be a potential entry for us today. you know, if we close in this 1 hour, we could see us coming back and filling these ranges. Could be just be a fake out. That's something I can look into today, but we'll break it down on the lower time frames to see if we get something better, some better entries. All right, let's go on the 30 minutes. Still bearish on the 30-minute time frame. Creating structure as well. Just pay attention to that. Hello. Boom, 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 boom. So can we possibly come down? Or can we see, we're respecting this. We closed below this. This is what I'm kind of looking at. This makes sense on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour as well. Semi-high time frame. This is something that we can look into as well. You know. Let's get it. Let's get it. So like semi that sort of range. See that we're fighting in this range. It's quite a sticky little small range at the moment. Looking for a good entry on gold and get this account past less than 60% consistent. That's my guy. Let's get that account past today, bro. Let's do it. Let's smash it. You can see we had a lot of resistance, support and resistance in this area, a lot of range. So I would expect us, if we possibly close below, start creating structure. We have gone for a top wick, which is fine. Went back into them, grab liquidity here. This could be the move just to continue us driving down. But for now, we'll just play it out. You know, the market opens in the next 50 minutes. So we can possibly wait for that. But if we get some sort of move, some confirmation before that, we'll definitely take the trade and enter. All right. 15-minute as well. You see this type of range, guys. It's very well respected. And when we closed above, we ended up coming back down, which we did now. But then we'll continue going back up, you know, just to fill up to there. So can we get potential wick entries today? Sure. That would be a much better confirmation for us above here. That'll be clean. If we come up here, you know, potentially get a wick entry, put a tight stop loss over here for us to continue going back down. That could be another play for us. Maybe somewhere up here looks a bit better, to be honest. So we're just respecting that wick. So if that, we just might range up a little bit higher. And then, yeah, we'll see on that. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry, guys. Again, I'm still a bit sick, so I'm just trying to get in the flow of things, trying to get smoothened out. I think next week will be a lot better. I've been taking some medication, but yeah, my whole face, my head is just pounding, you know. So I just want to try and get an entry. I want to try and get a win. Possibly want to do like a 2-3 hour stream today, but potential 1-2 hour, maybe 2 hours potentially. So let's see if we can get a win, get Kibajami's account passed. Let's kill it. Let's smash it, bro. All right. You can see we're coming back down, filling these ranges, you know, but we have come below. So when we've come back below here, bro, lemon, honey, and whiskey is the right. Yeah, I've heard about that, you know. That's like an older prophecy, you know. I've heard people do that. Maybe I'll join on that one, maybe after the stream. I just didn't want to come on, oh, bro, I'm on like whiskey, bro, like, you know. You know, I have this like lemon and they put like lemon and ginger. Let me just reply. Right. I kind of like in this little range at the moment. Recently at this time, cool. That whiskey, that's facts. I think I might do that afterwards, you know, just to get this down, because I just want to be fresh for you guys, you know, come on stream, like be fresh, be ready, you know, clearer mindset, better trades, better entries. It's going to be a fire alarm, but I think we're okay, you know. All right, then now we can break it down obviously on the lower time frame, potentially look for our entries over here. Let's spice this out a bit better. See, I've seen this come the whole time. Like every time we come back up here, to be honest, we just kind of came back into this area. If we failed, when we closed above, it was just kind of a fake out. To be honest, it's a potential, so I might actually just jump in on the sell here, to be honest. Because this is the move I was kind of waiting for. I felt like there's a bit of selling pressure here. I jumped in on the sell there, guys. This is the move I was kind of waiting for. Just some confirmation of us closing back into this range. We will monitor this trade quite closely because I don't think we'll come up and retest this area again. So this is what I'm saying. I was saying that we could come down and retest the zone. This was my idea for today, that we could come down and retest at least to like 2312, refill this area. But let's see how this day goes. Maybe we get in and out on this trade. If it's a quick move, we might have to wait like 40 minutes for this trade to play out. But like if we get some good entry, I've already made some decent profit for today. So this will be like a quick move down. So we can come down and actually just break this candle again. And I feel like we can definitely push down here. Like if we continue pushing, great. Let's break below this candle now. And then that should give us a confirmation to at least come down to 2313. And that'll probably be our exit for today. So we can do that now. Quick trade in and out. That'll be great. So I don't see us breaking above there, to be honest. We should just come down. Like I said, if we just refill this candle, great. Break this, break below, fantastic. Then we quick in and out on this trade. I was waiting for some confirmation from TradesAI as well to give us a nice sell signal, which was here, which is a Rob being formed. That was my signal for us to basically jump into this trade. Obviously, I was trying to look for a trade for you guys because I was looking at an entry the whole day, or the whole time before the stream. I was just waiting for a little bit of confirmation before jumping in. And that was basically it. Nice closure below. We retested the box. Would have preferred a nice, much stronger candle below. But let's see. Like I said, if we break this now, I don't see why we wouldn't just come down and just pull our profits for today. But again, if you guys managed to enter when I did, I just gave you guys a short confirmation. It was quick entry because we did receive, I think we just missed the entry by a little bit, like a really good entry. Like the best kind of entry would have been, let me just see that for you guys, 2315.68. I would have preferred that would have been a perfect wick entry. I think we got kind of the best entry that we could have gotten in that trade, to be fair. But let's just monitor this trade. Let's see how it goes. Watch it closely, brother. Watch it closely. Keep it Jarman, did you manage to enter on this trade? This could be the one that takes you, could make you pee, bruv, you know, could pass you that funded account challenge, brother. You know, so once if this trade goes profitable now, guys, then we basically already recovered our losses from yesterday, so no need to worry, plus profit. Yeah, we're basically up again. So that's why I say, like, a loss is not the end of the world, to be honest. Like, I'm never going to cry about a loss. Like I said, I do see some selling pressure coming down, at least. So now we just had a big push up, come back down. Let's actually just do this. I just want to make it a bit smaller for you guys here. Keep this over here. Don't know if you took this, but this morning gave one of my best signals I took so far. 5 minutes max TP70. No, I didn't take that one this morning. I didn't take any trades as well. I took some of my own trades this morning. But the thing is, like I said, if you looked on the 1 hour, that was this was really sad for me, you know, to just miss my entry by like this much. I mean, that's not even like 2 pips, you know, for example. That was really depressing. Because I was speaking about this entry the whole time. I had a pending order waiting and it just missed it by like 2 pips. Like, I'm not even joking. From here, look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. That just happens sometimes in trading. Never try and foam and never try and jump back in. That's just how trading works, man. That's just life. I didn't like, oh shit, I missed the move and got in here. Fair enough, it still would have been a good move, but it just didn't hit where I wanted to go. It could have been front run. Could have just missed it, but there's always gonna be another day, another trade. So yeah, man. Let's see how this goes. GBP USD, I believe it was the London Open, and another one pending. 2317 for top wick, maybe. Yeah, again, like if I take this trade for today, it's a win. Like, I might just call it. I'll still look for another trade, if potentially, because it's still like early in the stream, so we could look for another like low risk max gains trade. But if this can just continue pushing down for us now, fantastic, you know, as it's done before. Like, maybe just like you see for today, guys, I've already made some profits. Obviously these are all like break evens, small profits. Made 200, 400, 43. So basically, like in total, it's about 700. Like, almost made about 800. Yeah, 877 for today, kind of. So yeah, like if I make like even 300, 400 today, it's okay. That's extra. Let's see if we can just push down here, close. I don't know, for some reason every time I've been on stream with you guys, it's just like sitting with the trade for like an hour, always just hovering around our area. Could get down. Much is this now? Wait, let me just move this. Some space for our screen. Possible for a top entry. We could actually, to be honest. Don't want to really over trade today, to be honest, but I mean, if we continue going up to like 17, 165 kind of, we could look for another potential entry to get that perfect like wick entry. Just wait for it to rock down, and then the next hourly candle will close within the next 43 minutes. Where are we now? I'm just gonna move this line to like here, because that's where I potentially see the next entry if we do take it. Not quite reaching there just yet. And we're respecting that quite nicely. Yeah, you see, I mean, it didn't get to where I wanted it to go, so that's why I just didn't re-enter. Yeah, sure, I would have been a profit, but that's just trading, guys. I'm not forcing anything. Like I said, if I'm in a trade, I'm happy. I'll watch the trade. I'll monitor the trade as it goes. If I look for another better entry as well, if the trade's still running smooth, fine, fair enough. But I don't have to force anything. GBP USD was, I believe it was in the London session. Nice one, dude. Hypo, are you taking any trades yourself at the moment, bro? I know you still on the scene, bro. Hope everything's going well, man. Like I said, like maybe within, sure, one like 15-minute candle win. That's the next 30-minute candle. See closed doji going up. You know, that's top wick, potentially coming down now. You know, like I said, we can still potentially look for one more entry. Going back down, because look how well this area is respected, guys. Every time we come and we closed above here, closed at least to this area, we've come back down into this range over here and refilled this before making its next move. So that's just the idea for this trade for today. Open 2 yesterday, swing currently in a bit of profit, around 1 to 1, 1.5 hour on both. Fantastic, man. Good to hear. What pair are you trading mostly then, yeah? I just enjoy trading gold. I do like trade the other pairs as well. It's just like gold sometimes just gives you like clear direction. Most people just trade gold in general. Sorry. So just like it's just an easier going pair just to trade because everyone's just familiar with it. They can understand it a bit more. That's why I just look at gold and I trade gold, and I've been obviously the most profitable on gold overall. So that's the reason. And if anyone wants to know, that's why I trade that. Can we just not just close doji again? Like I said, we might see a bit of volume coming in the next 35 minutes or so. That might be what we have to wait for. But I mean, we respect closing again. Should come down, man. But you know, guys, all about that patience, brother. Patience. Just testing a scalp. Start with trading TradesAI as well. Up like $200 from it. Yeah, it's great, man. That TradesAI is really good. I mean, it's so accurate. And like I said, it just takes so much time out. And especially when you get the premium version as well. You know, you're just in such a better position. You can take as many trades as you want. You don't always have to, you know, wait for a signal, for example. You know, you can actually look at the chart, plan your trade out, look for confluences, higher and lower time frames, jump between time frames, plan your trade out, plan your day out of what potential entries and exits you'll be looking for. So overall, it's just like a great package for you to actually look at. And yeah, I know some gold signals are crazy accurate on there. So we might just, there we go. There's our second entry for now. We said once it reaches that kind of area again. So just stacked up on 2 positions. Now the idea for us is just to continue. We're going to close this 15-minute candle in the next 3 minutes. Can we close respecting again? That'll be great for us. I think maybe one candle, then that will be the top wick, and then we should just continue driving down. That is the idea, bruv, for this trade. I won't be looking for like a big move coming down. Like I'll just be looking for something like this for us to maybe retest and close this. I'm not going to play for the whole range, but we are obviously watching the trade. So we just watch to see how it plays out. Like I said, there's a good area of resistance so that we just maybe didn't get the perfect entry, but if we maybe just get another candle coming down, that'd be great. So we're looking on the 5 minutes, closed above, but no real movement, closed above. See what happened, close above, close above. See respected, yeah. See what happened. So my entry would just be back, like back somewhere, yeah. You know, just be on the safe side, to be honest. 2, 3, 1, 4, somewhere around, yeah. There's gonna be some good profit for me, like almost just sharp 20 pips, 10 pips. And that's me good for the day, to be honest. Or just me good for the trade, to be fair. Seen you how you actually properly use the indicator. I might upgrade back to ultimate. Yeah, it's a good idea, man. Like I said, it's just so much easier. That's why I came on here and I'm explaining to you guys, I'm showing you guys that it works. Taking signals, taking things live on stream. You see we're pushing back down. I don't know if you guys know this is quite cool. You can like close all the trades now. Close all. It's a new feature on Trade Locker, which is sick. And I will close all the positions at once. So we see a strong movement down now. We're just going to close all the positions in one shot. But like I said, like if we can come down here, break below here again, fantastic. Because that's our confirmation that we should be coming down again. And that would be my trade for today. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, like I said, Hypo 9, it's just about using, like you see, I just rushed my analysis today because we came on, I started to see moves play out and I was like, okay, let's just jump in there because I might be able to see a trade. That's not generally the case. But you know, if it does happen, I have to be quick on the move. That's why I'm like, guys, we're going to jump into this trade because I was seeing this trade play out. That's why I started with my analysis on the monthly, worked my way down. you know, because some confluence you get on a higher time frame. But for today, we are seeing this move play out, and potentially we even have some more confluence coming on the higher time. Let's see the 15. See how we're just like closing, respecting top wick up there. You know, now we're pushing down. Could this be the move? Like I said, I just want us to close, like just push down and break this low. So we kind of came down. We're not breaking that low just yet. Now we're breaking it. Can we come down a bit more now? Just one strong candle. I think this could be the move that we were waiting for. There we go. And that's us done for the day. That's what I wanted. I just wanted us to re-break the lows and to get out of there. You see, now it's retesting. Sure, we're going to come down. I do still feel like we're going to continue to fill these ranges, but I just, I know my target for today. You see, now we're going to break. I still feel like we're going to continue this range, but you see, once I make my target, I'm out, right? I'm out for the day. You see, now I didn't get the perfect exit. Now we could just go back up, you know, we could just continue going back up. That could have been the move. How low you assume we could go from here? It really depends, man. Like I said, if we're going to continue this range, we're going to continue to fill this range and then make its next move. So we start closing below here, then we could start seeing moves down to back to where 2303 again, you know. But yeah, that is a dub for today, guys. I didn't get the exact exit that I wanted. You know, I would have preferred a better exit on that one, to be fair, because it was like 2377. So I could have like gotten a bit lower if I had a TP in. But yeah, that's another win on stream again. So you see, guys, like yesterday, sure, but slowly we can make back our wins. That's why I say my wins are definitely more than my losses overall. Can I look for another entry? Sure, but for now, I've made about 1,200 today, you know, so I don't really need to overtrade. But what I can do is like guide you through a trade, see how this goes. You see, we continue breaking down. That was the move I was waiting for, just a strong push down, fill this range, and that's exactly what we did. Hypo9, how can I upgrade the package? Let me send you my link here. I think the link is stream settings. Let me drop you the link there below, bro. Boom, 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 boom. Just getting you the link here, brother. So if you use my link as well, if you want, you can actually get you can get 10% off, but I believe that they're having you can use my link as well, and then you get 10% off. And then also, if you want to take like a yearly package, but I just always recommend for you guys to try it out, test it out, see how it goes for you in the beginning. If you guys enjoy it, then obviously take like a yearly package if you're a consistent trader. But if in the beginning, I recommend you taking the ultimate bundle. Let me just bring it up on screen here quickly. TradesAI. Oh wait, let me go products, sorry. So you see here's the packages. This is what I run through with you guys. So I always recommend getting the ultimate bundle at first. When you get the ultimate bundle, you get the indicators plus the signals. So you get added to all the groups, the higher time frames. Like let's say you don't have time to always sit and watch the charts. Then you at least have the signal package as well. So you can just leave it on your phone on Telegram, for example, and you can just run through, get signals and place it like on your mobile on the go without having to look at the charts, for example. But if you have a bit more time and you prefer charting, you prefer looking at the charts, then go on this route. Because this, for me, I still enjoy charting. I still enjoy looking at this. See how we push back up here, guys, just for example. So we might have not got the best exit, for example, but I was just waiting for a push down to at least refill this candle. That was my play. You know, so sometimes you don't need to always wait for, sometimes it doesn't always need to come down and refill the entire range. Now we might go back up. Sure, now you can say, can I maybe look for a better entry now? Somewhere a wick entry. Let's see how it plays out. You know, I'm not jumping in, rushing into any trade. I still feel like we haven't got much direction at the moment. The fact that we respected, yeah. Because now again, look here, guys, we did come back and actually come back onto the. You see, there's like a minor support here. You guys see that? It's also something to pay attention to there. Minor support there, and we literally kissed that minor support. You guys see that? I drew that without even looking at where that candle hit, and it hit perfectly. So again, we might have just caused that, and from here we've come down and we've gone back up in the past. I don't think that we're going to continue just driving up from here, but look, I could be wrong. I'm not the market maker. I don't make the moves. I just try and get the best entry possible. Again, I might be able to get like another entry on here, to be honest, since we're still respecting. So I might pop another little. If we can come back up again, another top wick, that could be good for us as well. I just don't want us to come up and like fill these kind of ranges, especially guys that we don't have news for today. Let me continue just explaining this because I don't think I can see it kind of here. So I'm pushing up. Let me just wait here, guys. Might be able to get a nice move if he continues pushing there. I just want to get like a nice wick entry. If he goes back up to like 2317 again, we could catch a move again down because we're still playing out this range. We did fill this. We didn't come down to fill the whole range. So that's my confidence that we still didn't come down to fill this entire range down here. So we push up nicely now, 2317. We still could come back down here. Our stop loss can be quite tight, to be honest, because I don't see us re-breaking these highs. You know, so we could do like a quick scalp on this move. We can even break this down into we're going back up again. So we can continue pushing up. We push up again, like one last time. Just get like a nice 2317 would be ideal. The fact that we're just respecting the support is great for us, you know. I wish my like enthusiasm could be much better, you know, but it's coming with sickness, you know. So you see how we just respect come down, respect come down, respect come down. We've been doing this, like how many times did this happen? Look on the 15 minute, how many 15 minutes respected this proper here, man. You know, we came up to make top wicks before. We came up and retested. So again, our stop loss could be like somewhere above here, to be honest. Like if a stop loss is somewhere up here, that's fine. That's great because, you know, I don't see us pushing all the way up here. Could get better entries at like 2320, for example. But it is a bit like 23, like somewhere here. That's like a proper perfect entry. If I can get an entry there, my stop loss, just put it above here, 2321. It limits the risk, right? So the risk to reward would be much better because then I feel like we can come back into this range. Then I can get like at least a 40 pip move. I can risk maybe 30, no, not even. I risk possibly 30 pips to make like this move back down here, which is like 60, 70 pips total. So that's what I'm saying. If we can break it again here, sure, I might take an entry up here because that's good for me. Because then we have a tighter stop loss, to be honest. And if that hits our stop loss, fine, it's okay. So we are pushing up again. Can we push up a little bit more? Like get up to these 2317 ranges. See guys, why it's always important sculpting to exit your trades. You know, now we're going back up. I would have been in stop loss. A little bit higher. When's the next 15-minute closing? So we got the next 5-minute closing soon. And how is this closing? Respecting no top count, no top wick. I think I got in a bit late there, to be honest. So the idea was potentially just grabbing liquidity again above here to continue driving down. I don't see us pushing above here, but that's the idea for today. Again, we just got in another better, maybe potential wick entry. So here they have a rob here, 1603, so 16. And I'll be at TP, which is a quick scalp on here. This is TradesAI giving another signal, for example. You see, you can scalp this like pretty easily with using TradesAI. You know, it's not to say that we're going to come down into this range, but that was my idea, that we come back down, because I was just like a retest on the 5 minutes. We respect 2316.36. You know, we might have to be quick and just close that on the re-break. Come down first. That's the move. Let's see if we can push down a little bit more. A little bit more. Slight bit more. And that will be the move that we're going to continue driving down a little bit to refill this area. Quick scalps, guys. Quick scalps on this one. So I'm just being a bit quick. If I'm not explaining it 100%, just trying to catch these moves. So I see them a lot different. So like, I'm scared I'm going to miss the move, even just like putting a TP here because it's just so quick. I might just come down 2316.4. 0.4. It's a quick like $200 move, right? Just grab this. You know, profit's profit, guys. At the end of the day, you just want to put yourself in the best position. If I want to come down, it's just that TradesAI gave me like a buy signal here, for example. That's why I'm playing it a bit cautionate on this. Like, I just want to get in on this like entry, because I don't want to risk. That's too much risk, obviously, to catch this small move. But that's like, could be a perfect little wick entry there, for example. So the 1 minute printing for us. We have come up here before, guys. Just, yeah, we just have to push down now. Back into our range. Like, this would be good again. Come here, support, and then go back up, continue driving back up. That's the idea. But again, I still feel like we can come down and still to these ranges, but it's quite a big move. If I was going to risk this total amount to get down here, sure. We might just have to be quick on this close. Boom, boom, boom. Come down. Quick scalps, you know, quick scalps. That's why, like, I wanted to do it for you guys. I wanted to start trading potential like 1 minute, 5 minute charts, just to get like some quicker entries. And then you also get price action as well. So I can explain a bit better while I'm trading. So I'm creating a bit of structure going up. Let's see if we just push down now. Boom, 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 boom. A little bit more. That's us out, guys. Probably still going to get down to this level as well. Just quick in and outs, you know. And that's 140. You see, in that move, we made 165. In that move, we made 216. So in total, catching these small moves with limiting your risk, even like go up here, I don't think it would have broken above here. So your risk is like quite insignificant. We might get back down to our TP level, but it's just such a quick move. I just want to catch it in and out. So for today, we've already made just on stream. So I basically won 3 trades already on stream. Well, let's say 2 trades plus 1, because this is a separate trade. And in total, let's just work it out for us. You know, you got to be quick on maths, but I mean, I don't have time. Maybe I'll see another entry here. So again, guys, remember what my target was for the day, right? 522. I've obviously taken trades off stream, but now I've taken trades on stream, and I made 500 for today, 522. So if you do make your target, get the fuck out of there, bro. You know, you don't need to stay. You don't need to trade. The best time actually is when you make your money, you leave, you walk away, and you get off the charts and go do your own thing. You know, get on with your life. Come back tomorrow, do the same thing. Don't let like a bad trade, don't let anything affect you, right? Because then it just comes back in the next mindset. If I over trade today, let's say now I take a trade, now I lose 500, I just lose the entire profits that I would have made for today, right? Then all this time I was explaining to you guys, it's just worthless because I just lost it all. I don't need to trade. I don't need to make another 500. Tomorrow is another day, right? So this is going to be a, you see here, guys, this is explain TradesAI again, basically coming back down. And then this was looking at, there was a green box here, which means a buy. So if you want to take a scalp as well, if you want to be quick in and out on this, that's fine. See, we haven't quite touched the box here. We have to put away, this box is quite... Came up a bit more, to be honest. Came up a bit more, and we came back down to this box. I would have potentially taken another buy here to continue going back up. But remember, guys, I don't need to take every box. I need to take every rob, for example. That's not what I need to do. I've also traded, looking at the charts, looking at the candles, how they open, how they close. You know, see, yeah, no top wick. You know, no motion to continue driving up. Then we have a bearish engulfing candle, completely closes down because we have no top wick. We went a little bit up, created a top wick, and then continue back down. Engulfs this whole bullish candle over here, right? So these little things you can see, it's not always accurate, right? We might just break through this, for example, because I would have expected a bit of a bigger push. It's up to around these levels for us to continue driving back up. Could we look for like another buy up? Tight stop loss below, yeah, sure. Just want to see what our risk to reward would be, to be honest, on this. So this is like, you guys can use this. Kid Pajama, exactly. There's always tomorrow, brother. Like, always tomorrow, man. There's always tomorrow to make another stream. Always tomorrow to make another trade. I'm just going to go ahead and update my wins and losses, brother. You know how it is. The ultimate flex in trading. No, I'm joking. It's not the case, bro. So basically 7 wins. I'm going to count these 2 as like 1 trade because that was technically, I just got a better entry. And then this one was just a separate entry completely. So that's pretty good. I dig that. Did you guys learn a bit from that trade? Did you guys catch these small moves? Did you guys understand the thought process behind it? Or was I going too fast? Because that's something I need to understand. Yeah, man, like we need to also, like sometimes when the moves are really fast, right? My brain's just thinking, because I can see the chart and I can see what's happening on the chart, right? So I need to act quickly to make that precise decision. Like, let's say, how small was that move, right? It was small, but it's pips for me. And if I waited to explain to you guys, I said, boom, missed the move. I missed the money, right? And that might have been the key important pip move that I missed. You know, when you came down, for example, great, this might have been the entry that you needed for the buy, right? So now how we can play this out, right? For example, take your risk to reward, right? Let's see, yep, always leaving some skin on the game. Appreciate you, Kid Pajama. Gonna have to hop off, buddy. See you tomorrow. I hope you learned something today, Hyper. I hope to see you back here tomorrow, G. I appreciate the support again. Much love, bro. Hit a like button if you guys learned something today, you know, because I'm here to just give free knowledge, do what I do. And yeah, man. We just keep moving, we keep making money. And hopefully, I've personally never seen someone take a funded account and actually pass it live on stream yet. So this is the first for me. So let's be the community. Let's build it. Let's be the first people. Because if I can do it, you can do it as well. You know, there's no difference. Learn from me. Learn what I do. Use TradesAI, incorporate it. You guys can literally do the exact same thing. I don't know. There's no difference. You know, it just takes a bit of experience and discipline. I feel like for one thing, I've got discipline. And that helps a lot in the long game. So like, guys, for example, if you wanted to take this, I'm just going to remove my drawing tools, for example, yeah. Get a bit of a cleaner chart going. So TradesAI gave us remember, this is a 5-minute quick move, right? That's a quick move. So if we were to take this, we would have had our risk to reward. I would have said a 1-to-1 on this trade because it's a 5 minutes. I wouldn't have gone, so we would have done a long, right? And that would have been my long position tool. This is just something to explain to you guys, just to make it a bit easier. I would have placed my position tool over there, stop loss below there. You know, that would have been my stop loss just below this candle. Give it a bit of breathing room, you know, below this candle. And we would do like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let me do that. There we go, something like that, yeah. So, you know, if we break below here, we can have a tight stop loss, right? Tight. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Richard. Appreciate you, my G. So if we were to do a trade here, that's cool. So we can have a really tight stop loss here, for example. But the reason for I didn't take this one, because firstly, we've already made our money. We already made $500 for today, live on stream. I don't need to make more trades. For today already, I took trades off the stream. Remember, I've already made all of this today. You see? This was today. I made 400, 192. I've made, remember guys, I took a loss of 1% yesterday, which was about $1,000. Today I've made over $1,400. So I already made my loss back plus more. That's trading, man. Like you could just have a bad trading day. That's why I don't overtrade. I don't over risk. I just continue to do the same thing again tomorrow. You know, it's not that I was wrong in my analysis. Not that I was wrong with that trade. Sure, I could have learned something from that trade, but I'm going to do the exact same thing tomorrow. Sometimes it plays out, sometimes it doesn't. But in the long term, I'm profitable overall, you know. Hope you and chat are well, Luke. Thanks, Kurt. Appreciate you for coming on stream, bro. I know you gave feedback on my sound and everything. Appreciate you a lot, G. I'm getting the IT guy to come sort out my whole sound and my system here and get everything worked and going today. Don't worry, my voice is still a bit fucked. Like there's nothing the IT guy can't fix my voice, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm actually curious to see. I want to watch this trade play out with you guys, right? At the gym, I'll try to lurk. Very cool, man. So again, guys, this one would have hit stop loss here. You see, I said I'm not taking this. I didn't take this one, right? I did not take this trade. I would have preferred us to come a bit above, you know, and then closed above here and then came back down, right? Because now this would have hit stop loss, right? So my trade, I didn't take this trade. You understand? And that's why I said I would rather wait to play this trade out. This would have been an entry if I had to take the trade, just showing you based on TradesAI how they work it. But remember, guys, this is a 5-minute candle. This is a 5-minute, super volatile. You can't just be wicked out. You can't just be taken out of the trade. This thing could just reverse now, sure. But always make sure, if it's a 5-minute, your stop losses are super tight. You see this? Where's your entry from here? 236. You know, this is going to be a quick move. You know, especially that we have the session opening in the next 8 minutes. This thing can fly. So something to also pay attention to. If you're going to take a trade, especially at this time, can we visit 2312? Sure. I don't see why not. I'll check into it now. 1 second. Is that break even for you, dude? I'm assuming you're asking because that sounds like a bit of a break even trade there, brother. I hope it is. I hope we can revisit that. But like I said, it's very tricky in this direction, in this range at the moment, because we're still just trying to play it out. So again, guys, just to explain what happened here. Again, we're on a 5-minute. We're on the Rob. I actually think that this one would have been, the stop loss would have actually been below here, if I'm not mistaken, to be honest. Let me just check this quickly. I'm actually curious here. I've got the signals actually pop up on stream here. I don't know if I can see that. Let me just check on my laptop quickly because I can actually check how this trade played out. I got a separate thing on my laptop as well. Let me just pop this open. Because I think the stop loss would have been below this candle here. But it also could be below this candle. So then this is still valid because as long as the green box, I think if the green box is still up, it's still valid. But let me just double check into that. No, profits. Oh my G, profits. Are we passing that challenge today, bro? Are we passing it? I want to see that screenshot come after this and tell you, bro, I fucking pass the challenge, bro. I'll be so happy, man. That's cool, man. I would like to pass this challenge with you guys as well on stream. So remember, guys, we need 8% on this account. At an entry at 2317 and TP on 2314. That's done. Yeah, that was good. Like we said, we were looking at that quick move to the top, which is a perfect wick entry to continue driving down. You see, I would have gotten at about like here, for example, you know, rebreak of these previous lows would have been fine for me. If we're going to continue driving down, that's perfect. You got an ongoing trade from 2315 as a short as well. Yeah, take it slow, man. Take it slow. I mean, definitely don't rush into anything, man. Don't force trades, bro. That's one info spoiling. Just check something here. And another 160. That's crazy, man. How does it feel getting that close to your target, man? Because I remember getting close to like the passing the phase one, and then yeah, that felt pretty cool, man. Like I know I needed, like I did it with you guys live on stream, so it was actually pretty sick, man. Just checking something here. Yeah, so like I said with this one, always just remember, if you're going to take a rob on the 5-minute chart, just always pay attention, you know, put your stop losses in, man, you know, it's going to be maybe a quick move. You scalped in. You're not planning on taking a trade like this, for example. Oh my God, like I want this. Wants to happen. Then don't take a 5-minute, brother, because that's not going to, sure, that can happen, but that's not what you're looking for. Your risk to reward needs to be more or less the same, or 1:2, 1:1.2. Manage your risk. Every trade should be the same. You know, you should try and calculate that your trades should be the same. Your risk to reward should be the same. Then if you win more, it will overcome your losses. You know. Still working on psychology. Psychology, for me personally, bro, that is the aim of the game, man. I think psychology is the most important, you know. That's for me. Imagine the psychology coming on and live trading for you guys, like risking my reputation, for example, trading with you guys live on stream, for example. That's what takes real psychology, you know. Being on stream with you guys yesterday, you know, taking a loss on stream in front of you guys, you know, how shit would that make you feel, for example, right? You know, you guys saw yesterday I wasn't much affected because that's my trade, and I had a clear strategy, I had a clear idea of what I wanted to do, and it didn't play out, and I just had to accept my loss. Again, I can take a loss, you know, I've taken losses before, but over time, it's mental stimulation. At the end of the day, you gotta work on that, man. Reading Trading the Zone. Yeah, there's a few books that I've looked into as well. Trading, I've just mostly learned off YouTube, back testing especially. That's what basically I've done like in the past. Yeah, see, so this rob would become invalidated. So that's why it's light green, guys. The box has already been tested. So just pay attention to that one. Now, can we look at another time frame? For example, find another rob. You know, I hope these robs and everything, are they making sense to you guys? Like, do you guys understand them? You know, I'm explaining to you, I'm giving you literally free inside information on this. I'm giving you guys like a free signal a day on TradesAI, you know, where you guys are supposed to be paying. You know, I'm giving you literally a free trade. If you guys want to take one trade a day, here we go, brother. Boom, just give you a free trade, free money. You guys don't have to trade again for the day. I'll be doing this Monday to Friday when the Forex markets are open. So yeah, man. Where's my near guy, bro? There was a guy that came in here. I don't know if you just wanted to snipe a chart or something like that. He's like, yeah, bro, you have can you check out near for me, brother? Are you on the stream now, bro? Was he stream sniping me, G? Because he came on, like, check the near chart, for example, and then I don't know, I haven't seen him in a minute. That guy, let's have a look at what happened on near chart, bro. Since I last spoke to this G, bro. It's actually gone down. I think that's why he's not coming back, bro, because I think he was in a buy. I didn't advise him to do anything, to be fair. But I think he was in a buy. I think he got salty, maybe potentially, like, blew the account. It's actually a good buying zone here, to be honest. On the 15-minute, we got MSBs as well at the top here. Market structure breakouts over here. So technically, in between, market structure breakout. Just to, like, you guys don't trade this pair, but just this is charting in general. This is using TradesAI. This is what TradesAI gives you. It's very good confluence. Yeah, man. So basically, you got a market structure breakout, and then at the bottom you got a rob. You got a rob at the bottom, so that you're in between this. So I would rather prefer market to come down, potentially look for a buy, because then you have confidence that it could come up to these ranges, right? Could come up to this levels, and then we can look for a short, right? So that's how I wouldn't bounce in between the ranges. You know, your risk to reward, if you can take from here, go for buy or sell, could go in opposite direction, wait for direction to form, take your best entry, and then go from there. It moves. NIR is a good coin, but unstable. It moves within Bitcoin, but follows 20%. Yeah, but that's altcoins, bro. That's just altcoins, to be fair, man. Altcoins, when Bitcoin moves like up 1%, bro, that thing will move like 30%, man. All right, sweet, guys. Time did we come on today? Stay on for like another half an hour, I think. I don't specifically see us taking another trade. Any charts you guys want me to run through, I can do that. Like, we might just find another entry. I mean, we're just gonna have volatility coming through now. Is anything showing for us? Look at the structure, perfect little structure. Yeah. Where's my drawing tool? Where's my fucking drawing tool here, bro? Look at this, boys. Boom, boom, boom. Are we gonna continue coming down? Are we gonna re-break these lows? You guys seen that, for example? Let's just yeah, let me just remove this. You see that? Boom, 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 boom. So are we going to continue coming down? Are we going to re-break these lows now to continue creating structure, continue coming down? And then that would be this area. You see that? You see this? That was my initial buy area, right? Could get a little bounce going back up, you know. Felt like I was a bit front run on this. Just missed it. So I don't ever jump back in and go into that one. Let me just get my tools out here, bro. Yeah, so if you guys see, like on the 1 hour, you got clear direction where the charts want to go. I would have preferred us just to break down below, but now if we start breaking above structure here, potentially start seeing us to kind of do this, you know, go above there, closing above there. Be careful, that market can do that, but we haven't closed above this yet. We just kind of retest that. We haven't even retested this area here, so just pay attention to that as well. How did I get my brush tool, bro? I wanted to remove this. Oh yeah, like this. Sweet. So you guys understand, like, all the candles and everything open and close, you know, something I also run through. Now we're moving up to 2317 again. You know, oh, we wicked up there nicely, bro, you know. But again, remember we got market open here, for example. We got a little bit of volatility coming in. You know, like you can see the market just moving. Might be able to get a little snipe, but we'll wait that out. See if we can maybe catch something on the 1 minute. Could have been a good entry for us to continue driving down. But these are quick moves, man. You know, if you want to trade a bit of volatility, it's like riding in like at the carnival, mate. You know how quick this move is. This would have been a nice little pickup, though, to be fair. Nice little wick, but yeah, I mean, it's a quick move, man. It's like, this is a quick move. Don't get FOMO because you missed that perfect entry. We can still come back down, for example. Boom. Damn, that was a nice wick, though. But we ain't crying, bro. We ain't crying, bro. You guys see, like, I don't always look for like massive moves, man. Like, I don't look for like 300 pips, 100 pips. You know, if that move comes, sure. But like, I'm trading the session. I'm here to get in and out. You know, I'm not here to hold. If I see something pop up, on the daily, on the weekly, for example, sure, I'll take a small position, you know, balance out that, because it's probably going to take months or weeks to fill, but we haven't got those signals, anything just yet. So that's why I'm not taking any big moves, for example, now, because gold's just kind of stuck within this range. That's why we are paying attention to it and keeping it clear for now. So we're going to push up here. So we kind of pushed up back into this zone, for example. Little snipey snipe. I don't know. It's a bit risky, man. I mean, the volatility is just crazy for now. Where's our next level on the hourly? Could we respect that? So kind of respecting that. Yeah, I think we're just getting a bit of distribution out at the moment. That's what's happening, to be honest. That's why we're seeing quick flash outs. Close respecting that, like respecting on the nail. Try and see if we can get another snipe. Let's talk some BTC. Sure, man. The market's just open at the moment, so let's just give it a little bit of breathing room. We'll come back to this. Let's talk BTC, bro. Who of you actually are investing into crypto? Are you guys trading crypto? Man, I fucking love Bitcoin, bro. I love cryptocurrency. I've been invested in it since 2017. Haven't looked back since, you know, changed my life. It's done wonders for me. You know, it's like the new technology. It's like, it's just so much easier to make payments. I actually just, you know, if I pay editors, if I pay this guy, do this, do that guy, you know, sometimes I just pay them in like crypto these days. It's just so quick, easy to do. Yeah, payments become a lot more simpler. You get like actual like Visa cards where you can just pay with direct crypto to make payments for things. So it's just epic, man. All right, let's check a bit of Bitcoin. We're not going to FOMO maybe into another trade. That's okay. It's okay. So Bitcoin, let's run through some charts. Where do you want to start? Let's start on the daily. Let's see what's happening. So you see we kind of are creating structure. You can see kind of creating a bearish structure. So next levels to look down for now. You know, I'm not saying it's like falls ranges and all these kinds of things because I don't trade Bitcoin. You can't trade every pair the same thing. But that's why I use TradesAI, just to jump on a chart and get into it. And where to look. We can just look for something. That's what it takes to guessing work. On the daily, we don't have anything. On the 4 hour, do we have any sort of confluence or any interaction? Like I said, guys, if you are new, if you just joined, this is all available on the TradesAI, the indicators. So you guys can just literally get this and test it out yourself. I don't run through. If I open up all of these pairs, if I open up all of these pairs, Forex pairs, you know, anything, even crypto market cap. Let me show you guys something. That's what I was telling you guys. You guys see this might have been front run again. So there's not a signal for you to potentially enter. You might have just missed that short. You know, sometimes extremely close. Look what happened to us on the gold, the 1 hour. Literally like 2 pips, man. 130 pip move. So this would have been great as well. Look, if you got caught this on a long, for example, I mean a short, this would have been almost a 3,000 point move. That's massive, man, on Bitcoin. And that TradesAI would have caught, right? But again, our next zone for buying is 52,000. But that's like quite a move down, man. It's going to take some FUD, some bullshit to bring us down to that levels. 1 hour. Let's see what's looking like. Yeah. See what's happening here. Let me just open this. I can make this a bit full screen for you guys, just to see it a bit clearer here. All right, you can see we actually, if you were in the TradesAI, the signal group, you would have caught this. And how beautiful is this, man? So Rob, as I explained many times before, boom, re-entered into this box, short. And you have caught a nice little, let me whip out my measuring tool, brother. Because your entry would have been here, for example. First entry would be here, second entry would be somewhere up here, but let's say you took the first entry and you caught, like, you took it down to the bottom. It's 1,000 point move already, right? Free money, guys. Absolutely free money. Minimum risk, you know. Stop loss would have been somewhere up here, for example. Caught this move, brother. Free money, free cash, bro. you know, here's your next sell, but that could have been front run. That's what I'm saying. Just be careful about this. And then the 30 minutes, I think Bitcoin's done absolutely fucking nothing, bro, for the past 2 days now. We had a little push up, which everyone's thinking, bro, going to the moon, bro, we're going to 100K. No, brother, relax. We probably will go to 100K sometime, bro, but not today, bro, not today. Another buying position right over here. TradesAI, it's giving it to you, you know, 601,862. So if you did catch a short here, for example, wow, what a year that was. Let's see. Yeah, man, I've been in the space for ages, brother. So I've seen the market go up. I've seen it go down. I've cried. I've had losses, man. I've had big losses. I've had big wins. You know, when it's pumping, everyone's winning. When it's losing, that's why nowadays, when there's like a bear market, when there's a bull market, I know exactly how to react. You know, I don't get fear. I don't get FOMO. I know that market will do some sort of things. You know, if I'm in a bullish market, I'm going to just hold spot bags. I'm not going to stress too much. And yeah, man, that's just how it goes. All right, sweet. So that's Bitcoin. I'd say we're still looking. We're just stuck between a range at the moment, to be fair. I mean, we haven't done much. I think this is from, to be honest, we broke out, had a little bit of a fake out here, to be honest. Boom, we faked out. Didn't close respecting the previous resistance here, which was previously support. We respected closing, and then we just ended up coming back down and refilling back into this range again, and now we're stuck in here. So again, taking a signal from here or taking a trade from here, I'll probably just wait, because you know crypto can be super volatile. So I mean, this could just go pew or pew, you know. So I'd rather wait till we break out of this to get some more clearer confirmed action. Because now this is literally we're stuck in such a range, you know, bouncing up and down. So if you want to have fun bouncing between these ranges, sure, go for it. That's not what I'm gonna do. So I hope that little analysis helps you. Kid Pajama, if you take any trades on Bitcoin, good luck. Like I said, I would probably wait. I didn't really see much happening. Like we're still very early on in the. Still got a long way to go, and between stuck in the 62, we still could come down. I still feel like we can come down, and then even if we come down, I don't know if the bottom was in just yet on crypto itself, but we could like come down to like these levels, and this I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't. But that can take days, that can take weeks to play out to get to this level. But if you're looking for like a buy, I'd probably wait till we break below 61 or 62 again, and that'll be a nice little buying entry. Let's see how our friend Mr. Gold is doing. Gold, brother, you respected and you came back down again, bro. My G. So yeah, we're not doing too much on gold at the moment. See, we didn't FOMO in that we missed the wick entry and go, oh shit. You know, maybe we get a wedge sticking out here, brother. Something like this. Just want to check this with me. Just checking something there. Yeah, man. But for today, bro, I don't personally think I'm taking any more trades. Let's call it a dub today on stream. You know, took another win. 7 wins, 1 loss. That's how we fucking do, bro. Tomorrow's a new day. So let's see. Guys, and just joined as well. We're taking signals. I'm giving you guys free insights on TradesAI, one of the most accurate indicators and signal group in the motherfucking world. And that's facts. I take them personally. I use them myself. I use them in confidence in my own trading. And that's how we become profitable. And currently I'm passing a prop firm live on stream with you guys. You know, can't bullshit this. You know, if I fail a prop firm, I fell in front of all you guys, make me look like an idiot. But I'm taking that risk. I'm doing it in front of you guys because I'm confident that I can do it. And that's sometimes what you need, just a bit of balls, brother. You know, take the fucking risk. Be the first one who does it. Stand out from the rest, you know. People respect. You know, when I lost the trade yesterday, I actually got some good feedback from people saying, bro, like, we move on, man. We continue to grow. Let's smash tomorrow, you know. I never even got one bad comment from that, from the loss. You know, I was like expecting, I was like a bit like, damn, man, I lost that trade, bro. I feel a bit shit. But the feedback that I got from it was fantastic, man. So I appreciate you guys a lot. Much love, man. Because like, that's why I'm trying to build a nice community for us that, like, you know, we all can speak about our losses. If you enter the trade, tell me why you entered the trade. Maybe we can work on that. For example, maybe we can run through the trade. Maybe we can understand why you took the trade. Fix your mindset, fix your mentality, right? We can fix all of these things, you know, grow together. Right, we continue to bounce up again. Are we going to respect again, brother? You know, again and again and again and again. I don't know, man. Like, we continue to make slightly higher highs. You see that? Like, high. Like, and then we continue just to break back down again, you know. But I'm assuming, like, just have a look at this, right? Like, if you're going to look at it like this. You know, fake outs. Look at this, for example. Look at this range that we're in, for example. Just pay attention to that, for example. This is on, like, obviously a very small time frame. Pushing out again. All right, guys, I think I might just call it a day on stream. We have made our money. I don't really see much happening. I'm not going to force another trade. I'm not going to force another win. We have made our money. We made like 1,300 today. So yeah, because I'm not feeling too great as well. So I want to come back like a little bit more lively, a little more vibey, you know, come give you guys actually like a good show, explain a lot better, get a clearer mindset. But today we took another dub. Thanks again for joining. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next stream, which is tomorrow. If you haven't followed my Instagram, make sure the link is down below. British Luke. Today was quite a cool stream because we managed to catch some scalps on the 5 minute and on the 1 minute. Catch some big moves, catch some quick moves, and understanding that we do have top wicks in order to come down. So we caught some quick scalps, minimizing risk as well. So we guys learned a bit of things, and yeah, we're above what we lost yesterday. We're above overall on the count, 3.5%. So yeah, dude, let's smash it. Let's come back tomorrow. Let's have more wins, and I'm gonna get that whiskey, brother. Don't worry. I'll post that. I'll take a whiskey, warm it up, put a little bit of lemon and ginger in that motherfucking thing, and then we cook it up, you know. Again, guys, thanks again, tuning in. Love, appreciate your support every single day. Let's make this into one of the biggest communities. Tell your friends. Let's get a group going. The more people learning, the more ideas we share, the bigger we just get overall. So that's the idea, just for my channel. I want to build it community-based, you know, AIP. Let's make it a little community, always in profit community. That's what we want to be. Let's smash it. And keep a drama. Hope you good luck for the rest of your challenge. If you do take trades, not on stream with me, but if you do take trades on your own, let me know the result. We're going to hear about it tomorrow. If you pass or not, no pressure, man. Let's smash it. Anyways, guys, much love.